Hey friends, if you wish to fix the PCI Express root port error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Open Device Manager. Now expand this list for System Devices. Scroll down and you find PCI Express root port drivers. Update all of them one by one. Okay, I have four of them. I'll update each and every one of them. The next one is to install all updates, including optional updates. Right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab. Click on advanced options, select optional updates, install them. Return to the Windows Update page and then click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.